Hello, good morning everyone. Hope you're enjoying your Saturday. Hope you're having a blessed and peaceful Saturday. So I thought I'd give a quick little update on this crazy bird here, our baby parrot Rio. He had a broken beak, as you remember, and yeah, I thought I'd just give a quick little snapshot of what his beak is looking like now. It's healing nicely. The vet has said that we've got to go back in a month's time. He's off of all his medications, so he's not on any more antibiotic or painkiller. He's loving playing with my string from my pajama bottoms. And yeah, he's looking really good, actually. It does keep scabbing up. The vet said that she couldn't guarantee that it wasn't going to drop off, but we're hoping it won't. And that it will just grow with this denting. Because we love him anyway. We don't care, really, how it grows, just as long as he's fine and happy and healthy. And yeah, he's he's feeling really feisty. He's gone back to his usual feisty self this morning. Whoa. And yeah, he's full of beans, as you can see, and very noisy as well at the moment. But yeah, so I will give regular updates of this little guy. There you can see a really good shot there of his beak. And hope you like and subscribe, and I will upload another video to let you know how he is getting on. He's just everywhere this morning. He's just had his porridge because he's not allowed seeded food anymore at the moment until it's fully healed. But yeah, whoa, he loves going on my phone, crazy bird. Here, look, play with that. Oh, he's in a very mischievous, playful mood, as you can see. Bye-bye, Rio. Okay. Take care, God bless, and please like, subscribe, and share. Bye.